Hello and welcome to my presentation on my prototype for my capstone project, which is called FeASt. So this is just a quick prototype build I have prepared recently. What's been completed thus far, we have our graphics and physics engines implemented using Ogre and Bullet. We have a first-person character controller. We can do collision detections, and we can determine what types of objects are colliding, whether enemies and players, etc. We have some basic keyboard configurations. We have one simple node-based wandering enemy, player respawn, dark atmosphere, walking and running, and movement speeds. There's still a ton of things that need to be done. We need to further calibrate existing systems for best game feel. We need a few more enemies. We need to actually implement triggers, different types of triggers. We need to implement an entire scripting engine, streamline the level creation, get a proper GUI, high score tables, and a ton of other stuff. So what I'm going to show you now is an actual playable example of what we've currently got in the game. Here's me just getting that ready. So we have everything packaged into a Mac app, which is quite nice. So we can actually just run that right away. You don't need to have the Ogre SDK installed at all. Everything is just quickly and easily included in the single app file. This is especially great for portability and makes installation super easy. So this is just the game loading. It takes quite a while to load at first because of the way that I'm building walls in the game. That has to be completely overhauled because right now they are actually causing quite a bit of an overhead, and I don't like that. So we're going to have to do that at some point. So as we get into the game here, you'll see that I've got to wait for a second just because the FPS needs to rise to a little bit more of a reasonable level. This is mostly due to optimizations that still need to be made in the engine. So here I am wandering about in the demo level that I created. Here's our node wandering enemy coming around the corner, traveling between nodes. That model was created by myself, so it's not very well optimized at all. The ceiling and floor textures, however, were created by an artist that I'm working with. However, right now, they are simply the base materials. Now, what happened there is I ran into the enemy, and I had to respawn because I collided with an enemy, which kills me instantly. So you can see here that now I can do a little jump. I can change my movement speeds a little bit by holding down shift. I can jump in multiple directions. While jumping, I can't actually move. So while you're in the air, you will keep moving and maintain your momentum. So there's a little walk that you can do here instead of a run. And again, running, and then walking, and then running. So that's all I've got right now in terms of my prototype. I've got a lot of work planned. There's been a lot of design work that's been done up to this point, and that's taken a lot of my time. So that's it for now. Thank you for checking this out, and I'll show you more progress as it comes.